Take you on a tour of Queensboro Plaza Dental Care. This is our beautiful signage by Space Sign in College Point, New York. Close the front door. Turn left as you enter. Desk area. Then you'll come in here for the waiting area. Space over here. Kids area here.
Kids area.
For the kids. Here's the bathroom.
Bathroom number 1.
Okay. We'll come around here to enter the clinical area. All the operatories on the left. Nice door frames going on.
Thank you for the hard work.
Sterilization area in there. And we have a card storage over here. Of the kitchen along that wall. Flat screen TV there for meetings. Table for the staff, and then staff lockers, and our mechanicals room in the corner. So that's it. 6 operatories, 2,050 square feet, and excited to grow this business over the next 10 years.